Something about a woman. Good morning, ladies and gents. Just woke up, barely awake, but we're here in the charts once again on the daily grind. This is the trade we took on Monday. This is the trade we took on Monday. We got it right here, right? Boom. Right here, this is the trade we took out on Monday. Well, technically, right? We wanted to do this trade, right? Very greedy trade, I would say, right? This is our trade on Monday. 1.33, right? But here we should have sold because we're making more than 2%. Didn't sell, right? But successful planning, bad execution, right? This was yesterday's trade. We got it right here. This was yesterday's trade, guys. 1 to 2. Exited right here. And now today, what are we looking for today? Today we're looking for something that looks something like this. That's what we're doing today, right? Try to target this over here. Oh, I just moved that. But yeah, so far we've had 2 successful days. Monday wasn't successful because we were being stupid, but we have adjusted our mindset and our psychology, and now 2%, we are happy no matter what price that is. 2% is 2%, right? 2% every day is 10% a week. That's what most people do the stock market in a year. So it's all about not being greedy, right? The main thing about trading is psychology. Psychology, right? With the wrong psychology, you're always going to be a loser, right? Trading is all about controlling yourself. My boy Alex recommended me a great book. It's called The Discipline of the Trader, and it's a whole book just talking about how to control your brain and how to think in a correct way. The market doesn't work for you; you work for the market, right? The market's going to do whatever it wants. You just have to follow it. Not follow it, but you gotta, you gotta play it. You know, this is a big video game of probabilities. News at 12. Did anything happen at 12? Let's see. If anything happened at 12. This is 12 right here. And then at 1 a.m. it went up. At 12 it crashed. 35%. I don't know what this means actual, but I'm pretty sure this red move was because of the news. Now at 8:30 we have USD. Goods trade balance, difference in value between imported and exported goods during the reports. Change the total value of goods held in inventory for wholesalers. Okay. Now this 9:15, guys, look at this 9:15. So we might be consolidating until 9:15 because we have BOE government barely speaks due to testifying on the financial stability report before the Treasury Subcommittee in London. So they're reporting on the financial stability of the Treasury, right? Could be something super bad, could be something super good. You know, if GBP, if it's good, this should go down because Japan will go down. If it's bad, Japan will go up. Did it say previous? Usually reflect more hawkish than expected is good for currency. Then we have CAD, USD. You see at 2 p.m. a lot of USD news, but that's far away. So yeah, we're just expecting 8:30 and 9:15. So might be a little. Let's see what Alex thinks about it. Might be a little iffy, little jiffy. You feel me? I created this trading Discord yesterday called the profitable degens, right? All right, guys, let's plan out our trade, right? Let's plan it out. Okay, consolidating right here.
Something about a woman. Something about the way to bring it to your knees.
We have this micro consolidation up here.
Something about a woman does something to me. Make your heart start to beat, make you sweat, make you dream, lose your mind, lose your sleep, pushing me, doing things I thought I could. There's something about a woman. Ooh, there's something about her. There's something about her. There's something about her that sets you free. Ooh, there's something about her. There's something about her. Something about the one that you sent to me. Yeah.
All right, guys, so we're in a little micro consolidation. This could be a trade, right? Let me go back to the 30-minute. This could be a trade. If we break below this wick right here, because we have this rejection here to the left, if we break above, let's say this wick, I would like to break above this wick. If we break below this wick right here, I say we have this clean range here, make our money. What I'm really looking for, since this is the same pair we trade every day, and I've said this for 5 days straight, we are in an uptrend. All right, guys, we look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Nothing has changed. Look at my notes from the other day, right? Look at this, guys. We are in an uptrend. Boom. Look at that, guys. Look at that. We zoom in here. You can see that Monday we had a big red day. Then yesterday we had a green day, right? And then today we should have a green day. You see, we're making the low. We're creating support, right? I I think we should respect this low right here from that wick I said. We should respect it and make a green day to continue going green. I don't think we'd go red because red, we already made the low. You see this, the low right here, respecting the last low? I don't think we're making a low right here because we have to break a high before we make another low. The next low should be around here. So my notes stand daily bullish. Let's go down to the 4 hour. Let's go down to the 4 hour. What is the 4 hour doing? We are in a bullish trend, right? Bullish trend, December 30, Monday, December 30 to January 16. Okay, so for 16 days we were in a downtrend, right? So you could say microstructure does give you downtrends, right? But in the whole scheme of things, we're in an uptrend. Nothing has changed. We go down to the 1 hour. Same thing. Obviously, in these type of days, you will get buys and sells. We're all going off of microstructure, right? What's going on at the moment. Sometimes with the Roger Banks concept, which is what we trade, which is support and resistance. Sometimes it doesn't matter. What is this line doing up here? It doesn't matter. We're in an uptrend. We're not trading the trend because we're doing intraday scalping. So although we are in a daily uptrend, in a 4 hour uptrend, and a 1 hour uptrend, we might look for some sells, right? Because we're scalping. We're seeing what is going on at the macro level. So right here, boom. Oh, I deleted my line. Here we're consolidating. We're just waiting for a break in consolidation. I told you either to the downside or the upside. I'm saying upside movement, just like we did yesterday, yesterday's trade and Monday's trade, all up, all up. Because like I said, we already created a low, so we should be going up every day. And yeah, we're just waiting. We are just waiting to break consolidation either above or below. We're waiting for candles to close. Candles to close, right? You want a candle to close bearish or you want a candle to close bullish. Inside the zone, there is no trading, right? There's no trading in the zone where you're just going down, up, down, up, down, just consolidating. You're consolidating. There's nothing going on, right? This range, some people might try to trade it because they're like, oh, when it bounces off the bottom, for sure it's going to go up. Yeah, that might be good, but it's a 15 pip range. You don't want to trade that. If it was a 50, 60 pip range and we're consolidating in a big range, you trade it, right? Because you know when it goes up, it's going to come down. But look at how volatile this was. And when it comes down, it's going back up. This is cleaner range right here. Now it came down, and I know it's going to go back up, but you don't know when it gets, it's just going to bounce. So you shouldn't be trading this right here, right? And I don't like trading the 5 minute, the weaker confirmations. Look at this, right? Right here, this 30 minute. Somebody might have taken a buy right here because they broke out. They're like, oh, it's time to buy. But they bought in before the candle closed. And what did the candle do? It closed in the range. And then look how the next one went. Red, right? You can't buy once we break out because we want confirmation. You want candles to close. The candle could break out of the range. Look at this one. Broke all the way down here. People took sells. They're like, oh, it's going down. And then it closed in the range. Look at that. It faked you out. Then this one faked you out, right? You have to wait for candles to close. Right here, it's kind of showing us it's going to go up. It's kind of showing us, if you guys look here, came down, stopped right here, make this little micro thing, came down again. Now it came up, and now we're respecting the low of this candle and this candle right here. So far, right, we still have 17 minutes. Anything can happen. Looks like we are going to test the support, and then we might break out of it. Let's see what goes on. This is a nice clean range. This is clean range, no doubt about it. We just want to break above these wicks right here because we come down to the 15-minute. You see support, support. These are two rejection wicks up here. So technically, I might take a buy here. I might wait for it to break above this. All depends on how things are looking at the moment. I also have to leave to work today a little early at 8:30 because I have to go get an ID. I gotta go get an ID at the hospital, so I can't be here that long. Let's see how the Robinhood investments are going.
Something about a woman does something to me. Something about a woman. Something about a woman. Yeah. Something about a woman.
How do you make a name as the city's most compelling compact crossover? Well, the Lexus UX started with a refined suspension tuned for the streets, then added a palette of distinctive, vibrant exterior colors, and kept it going with an available 12.3-inch touchscreen using our intuitive Lexus interface. The Lexus UX, engineered to fit in, designed to stand out. Click the banner to discover more. Experience amazing at your Lexus dealer.
Your bill, ladies.
I got it. No, you don't. Yes, I did.
People with the Wells Fargo Active Cash credit card prefer to pay because they earn unlimited 2% cash back on purchases. Visit wellsfargo.com/activecash. Terms apply.
Just sold my car to Carvana.
I thought you were selling to that guy.
The guy who wanted to pay me in foreign currency? Yeah, no. Carvana gave me an offer in minutes, picked it up, and paid me on the spot. Super convenient.
That is super convenient.
Sell your car to Carvana and swap hassle for convenience. Pickup fees may apply.
Our daughter Jessie loves playing detective.
A clue.
But since we discovered she has sensitive skin, we've been playing detective too.
We thought the problem was our puppy.
But it was actually our old detergent.
Aha.
So we switched to Tide Free and Gentle. Tide cleans better than the leading competitive free detergent, and it doesn't leave behind irritating residues.
Plus, Tide Free and Gentle has no dyes or perfumes, so it's gentle on her skin.
Case closed.
If it's got to be clean, it's got to be Tide Free and Gentle.
That beer ain't getting any colder. And I don't know who is waiting for you. Keep checking over your shoulder like somebody's about to walk through the door. Yeah, I bet he's got a real good excuse, but right now I wouldn't want to be in his boots. I'm looking at what he's got to lose, sitting all alone tonight. Look, I ain't saying I'm an angel, baby, if you can't tell. No, I ain't take you home with my appetite. And I ain't saying he's a bad guy, all I know is that guy must have up and lost his mind tonight. Cause you're down to the ice and that drink he didn't buy. I'm here and he's in my that ain't no kind of love. I ain't saying I'm the one, I'm just saying he sure as hell ain't. 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 Judging by the way you just smile, I ain't telling you nothing you don't already know. He let you down, but is he upside? I can give you move on somewhere and go. I ain't trying to change that miss to a missus, but he don't know what he's missing. Girl, listen, I ain't saying I'm an angel, baby, if you can't tell. No, I ain't take you home with mama tight. And I ain't saying he's a bad guy, all I know is that guy must have up and lost his mind tonight. Cause you're down to the ice and that drink he didn't buy. I'm here and he's in my that ain't no kind of love. I ain't saying I'm the one, I'm just saying he sure as hell ain't. He sure as hell ain't. He sure as hell ain't. Yeah, I bet he's got a real good excuse, but right now I wouldn't want to be in his boots. I'm looking at what he's got to lose, sitting all alone tonight. Look, I ain't saying I'm an angel, baby, if you can't tell. No, I ain't take you home with mama tight. And I ain't saying he's a bad guy, all I know is that guy must have up and lost his mind tonight. Cause you're down to the ice and that drink he didn't buy. I'm here and he's in my that ain't no kind of love. I ain't saying I'm the one, I'm just saying he sure as hell ain't. 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 He sure as hell ain't.
So why'd I have to walk outside and watch your green eyes catch the light? I never touched a cigarette, but I bummed a smoke, said how you been, and talked until the sun was high. Ooh, I could run, you should have left. But my common sense ain't at its best. You're a walking, talking, pretty lying. I can't learn this lesson twice, but you're not giving up quite yet. Oh, 'cause here we go, you're back again. We're less than lovers, more than friends, and oh, I gotta go. So I said bye, bye, bye. I might die if I try and love you any harder. And I said bye, bye, bye. Man, I tried, but I can't love you any longer. Ooh, I'll roll my eyes down to my lows. Got lost here on a one-way road. And I haven't smoked since we met, but I still think of cigarettes, trying to get you out my clothes. Oh, 'cause here
Guys, look at what's happening right here.
we're less than lovers, more.
Look at what's happening. We're about to break out of consolidation, like I said. We have 8 minutes left, so I'm going to wait for it to close. We don't know what might happen, but it looks like we're going in a good path to take a buy. Try to target this range right here. Try to target this range on the upside. All right, so right now we're looking for something like this. Something like this. Look at this, breaking through. I should probably take a buy, but we're going to wait and see what candles do. Okay. All right, guys, this is the moment. We're just watching, seeing what the candles are doing. Give me a second, guys. I'm texting my girl. Early morning discussion with my girl. All right, guys, look at this. This is why we wait for candles to close. We don't do impulse entries. What we do, one of our strategies is impulse entries, but at the correct moment. This wasn't one of them. This, we're waiting for candles to close. If it would have taken a buy up here, we would have been in drawdown already. It would still probably been a successful trade, but we would have gone into drawdown because we had a bad entry, right? Bad entries are no good. And yeah, there's a whole bunch of news about Microsoft. Alibaba says its AI model beats both DeepSeek and OpenAI. Well, Alibaba, so it's like everybody just creating AI now. Fucking Alibaba. This is like what is it? They're like Shein, right? They're just a fucking store. Honda hears of DeepSeek, the Chinese tech company, about inexpensive AI models reported to be better funded competitors like OpenAI, ChatGPT. American notion of AI dominance. Another Chinese tech company, Alibaba, it rose 6.7% yesterday. The Magnificent Seven prevented bad things from happening, right? Apple, Meta, Amazon, right? As everything was crashing, those stayed afloat. No more respawns. What's going on here? That's it. It's not telling me anything. Is that Steve Jobs, right? That's Steve Jobs? Look at this magnet. This is perfect. Look, we're down to the last 2 minutes and 30 seconds, right? We're closing in on that. Billionaire and Scale AI CEO Alexander Wang DeepSeek has about 50,000 NVIDIA H10s.
You know, the Chinese labs, they have more H100s than people think. You know,
and these are the highest powered NVIDIA chips that they were not supposed to have.
Yes. My understanding is that DeepSeek has about 50,000 H100s, which they can't talk about, obviously, because it is against the export controls that the United States has put in place. And I think it is true that, you know, I think they have more chips than other people expect, but also on a go-forward basis, they are going to be limited by the chip controls and the export controls that we have in place.
Wow. You guys heard that? DeepSeek is using the chips from NVIDIA to make their AI, but don't say it because it's illegal. Or they're mass producing the same chip at a cheaper price because it's China with child labor, right? We're about to break. 40 seconds left. 40 seconds left on our candle. If we break above, we're looking for buys. We're looking for a pull down real quick, a bottom wick to be formed, and we're taking buys. Are we even in? We're in the wrong account, raw pricing account. Boom. Today we're gonna make it to $700. We started with 1,000. We started with 1,000. We're down to 700. Well, we're down to 650. Now we're almost at 700, right? We're just learning. We're just learning. It's our second month trading, but we're doing good progress, right? With the correct mentors, the right strategy, we make good progress. Look at that, guys. We closed in the range. We closed in the range, right? That's not the best thing to happen. This candle formed good. I mean, it's just the beginning. Let's see what the 15-minute is doing. Yeah, you see, no downside movement, but a rejection from the upside. But this is also a healthy candle for it to move up. In the 5-minute charts, we moved up, rejected the breakout. Look at this, guys. In the 5-minute microstructure, we rejected the breakout, came back, rejected the breakout again, but closed bullish. Now let's see what's going on here. This might do retracement down before going up, or we just might keep consolidating. We might just keep consolidating till 8:30 where the news comes out, right? Before news comes out or before big movements are made, we consolidate. It's just the normal thing to do. That's what the market does. Look at that. Looks like we're going down to retest the bottom again. Look at this. Down to retest the bottom again. If it respects the low of this candle right here and the low of this one, that confirms even more that we're respecting the lows and we're looking for movement to the upside. All right, guys. So back to what we were talking about 10 minutes ago, right? If as soon as this candle broke, right? Because that's what I was waiting for. As soon as this candle broke back in the day, right? As soon as we broke above these two wicks right here, broke above this wick, I would have taken an impulse buy. Like, fuck yes, we broke out of the zone. We're getting in, and look at this. We would have been in major drawdown, right? Not major because this is small, right? Not major, but but we would have been in drawdown. Look at this. Why go into this, right? Our job as traders is to be patient, right? Find something to do while you're just here watching the charts, right? To be patient, wait and wait for candles to close, right? You don't get confirmation until a candle closes, right? We do something that's an advanced concept. We do impulse entries is a little bit of a harder concept to understand. Sometimes we don't wait for the candles to close, but we want confirmation from the wicks of what the candles are doing. Guys, pretty soon I'm gonna have to start getting ready, right? Because my appointment is at 8:40. I gotta go over there. We're in this bitch. We crunk. We lit. We in this bitch. I'm gonna post on my Instagram today. Try to find more people that do training so we can join my platform, and we just talk. You know, we just talk daily squabble. Look at this, guys. We're retesting the lows again. Retesting the lows. Oh, look at that. Okay, guys. So you know what if this breaks down to below here, you know what my friend Norland would say, this is a liquidity grab, right? Before going up, the banks and the institutions bring the market down, right? To liquidate everybody's buys that bought here they're saying we're gonna buy. They do this to kick you out of the trade, right? They're kicking you out of the trade so they could get a better entry. That's if it goes up. If it just keeps going down, it's just part of the microstructure. Because if you look here, right, this is kind of like but I don't think that's what it's doing. I think that's too micro of a structure. You know, this is just on an uptrend, and you have to take breaks on the uptrend. Boom, respected this low. Boom. Ugh, dude, is that if we break below this low, that might be a little bad. See what happens. Look at this low right here. We break above this low, that could be a little bad because if you look at this now, we are consolidating below yesterday's low. That is not good. We're in an uptrend, right? Here, here. I mean, these lows were kind of equal lows. I'm kind of making like a head and shoulders pattern right here too. We have left shoulder, head, right shoulder. But I had to go down and retest here for it to actually be a head and shoulders. We didn't. From here we canceled. We went back up. Okay. What's going on here, guys? Let's see. The 4-hour candles. It looks like we had a so the 4-hour candle looks like we had a huge why did I move that? Huge rejection to the upside. And now we got another rejection to the upside. So in the 4-hour candles, we have 47 minutes left. It looks bad. It looks bad, bad, bad. But let's see. We have So like here, bam, 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 bam. Respected this low by a little bit. Boom. This low is just kind of a micro low. We have this low right here, respect. So we come down to here, go back up. Okay, this is more of a difficult situation now, right? Because if you look at the 4-hour, I was kind of ignoring it earlier. If you look at the 4-hour, we have a huge rejection to the upside, huge rejection to the upside. Then this next 4-hour that closes in an hour is also rejecting the upside, coming down. The 1-hour try to go up and then it came down again. So now, guys, what do? We wait. We wait. Waiting is your best friend. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. Yesterday we made money. We made money yesterday. We made I think $20, $18. We could have made a little bit more, but right after it crashed, right? So it's better to get out early and safe than right before the crash. Oh, what? Ah, Oracle. Oracle teams up with Elon Musk Starlink to supercharge global enterprise communications. The tech giant has teamed up with Elon Musk Starlink, the large satellite network globally, to improve connectivity to the enterprise communication platform. This alliance will aim to offer high-speed communication features to Oracle users, even in the areas with limited traditional network coverage. To the integration of Oracle ECP client can access real-time video and audio streaming services from nearly any location. The partnership ensures dependable global connectivity, provides smooth and secure cloud applications delivery across 100 countries and territories. Okay. These three suck. That's in Trump's first 100 days. Forget Nvidia. These three little known stocks could skyrocket in Trump's second term. Download the investor's cheat sheet now to unlock. Download, bro. It's propaganda. They want me to fucking delete. They want me to download shit, man. Bazinga. and Alibaba. Trump's semiconductor tariffs could impact TS. What? That is true. I mean, TSM is currently making a factory in the United States, so they don't have to pay tariffs, right? That right. So you're gonna want to make the stuff in America. But I threatened to introduce countries potentially affecting Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing TSM because the tariffs weren't revealed, but investors will note that Trump's other threats include 25% of Canada and Mexico. Look at this, guys. We are. If this goes back up, this is a liquidity grab, right? Right before we go up, right? Everybody that bought here or bought here thinking it's going to go up, this takes them all out, right? Scares everybody, takes them all out, and then the institutions and the bank get a better entry. That's if it goes back up, right? This is manufacturers. This is manufactured by big bank institutions to take everybody out of the trade so they could get in at a better trade, at a better price, right? Because every cent counts for them. Guys, 8:18. I gotta be at my fucking appointment at 8:40, so we might start getting ready right now and just keep watching the charts. I'm not done trading for the day. I will trade today, try to make my 2%, but so far that's not gonna be on the live stream. I'm sorry about that, guys. We'll be back on tomorrow. How Netflix won the streaming wars? I don't get this because Netflix is pretty bad nowadays. This is growing ad business. You better get no ads on Netflix. I've seen live events. Yeah, that not because now they do like SmackDown and Raw or whatever they do. WWE almost 20 years Netflix from California in 2007. Maintains on his Wall Street analyst put more part. So many competitions and ever recently reported risk growth in subscribers. The streaming giant said their membership rose by 19 million in the fourth quarter of 2022, bringing its total membership to 2 million. Wow, guys, look at this. Look at this pullback. Elon Musk just tweeted true. What does true mean? I don't know. I don't know, but I've been told that your grandma is a hoe. When you import migrants without any intention of assimilating, you are signing your nation's death warrant. Migrants make up 8% of the population but commit 28% of murders, attempted murders, 33% of assaults, 41% of rapes, and 49% of burglaries. Now that everybody's saying true Elon like it's a fucking meme coin. Let me see pump. Fun. Boom. Meme coin. The true Elon. What's going on in my stocks, bro? Apple down 1%, SPY. Nvidia down 2%. PLTR. What's with Nvidia, guys? What's with Nvidia, bro? Get a grip. You guys are the big dogs. Get a grip. Guys, if we reject this big candle, right? 8 minutes left. If this candle pulls back all the way here, we have a lot of upside potential, right? Because that big move down, taking everybody out of their buys, right? Making people think we're gonna have to sell now. Because it's all market manipulation, right? People thought right here that here or here that we have to take buys, right? Because they're like, oh, we're going up, we're taking buys. They take buys a little early, and now you do this, boom, you scare everybody into closing their trades, right? So everybody closed their trades, making it go even more down. But then people here are like, we gotta sell, we gotta sell. They start selling. That's gonna go back up. And then you say, why does the market know me? Why does the market always kick me out? And it's not. It's just you're not waiting for things to happen. Uh, Now thinking back on the 4 hour, I don't think we'd go back up for a while because look at the 4 hour. 4 hours just major downward movement. Major, 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 major downward movement. Look at this. We just keep going down. Guys, let me go get ready real quick. Keep watching the charts for me, all right? Let me know if anything happens. Eso hay que hacerlo también. Suco, ¿cómo lo viste?
El suco estaba bastante bien. Ahí el veterinario me mandó, yo le mandé fotos al veterinario, el veterinario me dijo, el perro que tiene alergia, fuimos, le cambiamos la comida, compramos comida como la que él estaba comiendo antes de Canelo.
Ajá. Guys, I gotta go to work. But this is crazy what's going on. This is crazy work, right? I guess the news that came out was not that good. Oh, work. No trade today, guys. No trade today, or we wait till 9 or 10 for this whole thing to just die down because this is crazy. Take care, guys.